Hi there. I'm going to show you how to make low carb biryani using cauliflower rice. Ingredient measurements are in the description box below. I will show you the ingredients here. You will need nice clean cauliflower florets, some mixed chopped vegetables. I'm using capsicum. You could use vegetables of your choice. Some chopped mint leaves or pudina leaves. Onions, I'm using baby onions. You could use the big ones. Make sure you chop them. Biryani masala and garam masala. Store-bought or homemade, anything is okay. Salt, oil, water, and you will need a vessel to make the biryani and a spatula. Grate the cauliflower. To grate the cauliflower, you could use a regular grater like this that you would have at home, or the other option is to use a food processor and just pulse it a few times like this. You need to cook the grated cauliflower. You could do this in microwave or on the regular stove, and once it's cooked, strain the water out of the cauliflower completely. So what I do is I just take a strainer like this, line it with a neat handkerchief, unused. I have handkerchiefs that are not used for any other purpose other than for my kitchen cooking, or you could use any other clean cloth, muslin cloth or any other cloth that you may have. Pour the cooked cauliflower into this. Gather all the ends of the hanky like this and squeeze the water out of it. Be careful, it will be a little hot. So what you could do is just open the tap and have the water running so that cool it a bit and then squeeze out the excess water, so that we'll be left with nice dry cauliflower rice. It's almost done. Add oil to the pan. I'm adding coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Add the onions and fry them until they turn slightly pink in color. I'm adding a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt for the onions to cook a little faster. Keep the flame on medium-low. Onions are cooked halfway through, and I'm adding the vegetables now. Allow the vegetables to cook a bit. Because capsicum doesn't take much time to cook, I haven't pre-cooked it, but if you are using any other vegetable, it will be a good idea to pre-cook them before adding them into the onion. Saute the vegetables for 1 or 2 minutes, and then you can add the mint leaves or the pudina leaves. I like to add a lot of pudina leaves because it adds a nice flavor. And then mix all of this together. Add some salt for the vegetables and mix it well. The vegetables are cooked. Add the garam masala and the biryani masala now. Mix everything well, and then we'll add the cauliflower rice. And give all of it a good stir and mix everything together. Yummy low carb biryani is ready. It's tasting really yum, and the aroma is also really nice. This is a great option for weight loss as well as for those who can't have rice for some reason. Thanks for watching this video. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback with me. Until we meet in my next video, this is Shri signing off. Keep smiling.